Hello, welcome to my channel. Today, this episode we're going to introduce the family in Bandar Petaling, strategic location, gated guarded and matured township. This family comes with a very big land, which is about 12 square feet at the side and 10 square feet at the back. The total land area is 40 times 100 square feet. You can use it as gardening, play area for your kids, and you can also extend the back if you wanted. This family is back to back, something like cluster design. Here's the entrance from the side, and you have two living halls. One is the main and the other one is more for altar or foyer area. It has two big storerooms at downstairs. To the supplies of a big families, you need a nice kitchen, and they have a wet kitchen area and a dry kitchen area. Two rooms downstairs, one for the parents, the other is for the kids. You can use it as a tuition room. Upstairs, master bedroom has a balcony. And also built-in wardrobe. You can redo it with latest design and suit toilet. Let's see again how spacious is this balcony. There's two rooms set behind for the first floor. Both rooms comes with the ensuite bathroom. We're done with the first floor, now to the second floor. This 3-story semi-D. For the last floor, they have renovated into one whole floor to one room, studio type, with ensuite bathroom. So you can enjoy your privacy. Alright, here's for this episode. If you like to view, please scan the QR. See you in next video. Bye.